Experiencing voicemail issues on Simple Mobile? Let's address the common problem of voicemail not working, focusing on PIN resets. First, ensure you have a cellular signal and data are active. Toggle airplane mode off and on. A forgotten PIN is a frequent cause. You can reset it by calling 611, Simple Mobile Customer Service, and navigating the menu options for voicemail assistance, or through the Simple Mobile app. Remember, after multiple failed attempts, 3 to 5 tries, your voicemail may lock. After resetting, create a new secure PIN. You can also try the default PIN, 1234, or the last 4 digits of your phone number. If that doesn't work, check your phone's basic functionality by dialing 86 to access your voicemail directly and test audio playback. If you're having issues with visual voicemail, start by enabling it in your phone's settings. For iPhones, go to Settings, then Phone, then Voicemail, and turn on Visual Voicemail. Next, grant the Simple Mobile app the necessary permissions, including access to microphone, storage, and notifications. Visual Voicemail relies on a data connection, so make sure your data plan is active and you have a good cellular signal. If problems persist, try these advanced troubleshooting steps. First, clear the Simple Mobile app's cache.